Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I decided to share with you what I eat in a day. This shows me cooking 3 separate meals in one day. With being a stay-at-home mom, I'm able to cook 3 meals a day for me and my family. I'm so thankful to be able to do so. So let's go ahead and get into the meal prep for breakfast. My mornings are the most hectic, in my opinion, so I normally fix eggs and toast as a quick and easy meal. Don't worry, my kids normally help me eat my breakfast as well, so please don't think that they just eat bread and butter. When I prepare my scrambled eggs, I add milk to help the eggs become more fluffy. It's a trick that I learned from my stepmom. Moving on to the cleaning after breakfast. What kind of stay-at-home mom would I be if I didn't share some cleaning motivation? I know as a stay-at-home mom, I feel life consists of nothing but cooking and cleaning. So I'm sure all the stay-at-home moms know that feeling. I can't believe that we have come on 8-ish weeks of homeschooling. I plan on making a separate video about our homeschool journey and the homeschool curriculum in a separate video, so stay tuned for that in the near future. Okay, so I'm making some stuffed peppers for lunch. I don't know when Caleb's getting home. I'm gonna guess around 11:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this bacon cut up. I'm gonna cut up all of it so we can put some with our stuffed peppers, and then also some for tomorrow for our pizza. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking that up. When making the stuffed peppers, I combine the rice, tomato sauce, bacon, onion powder, and Parmesan cheese to a pot and gave it a good stir around before stuffing the peppers. Also, another little hack when making stuffed peppers is to bake your peppers first to make them more soft and flavorful. I normally bake mine for about 10 to 15 minutes before stuffing them. Moving on to dinner, we had chicken enchiladas and refried beans. My husband didn't know I was filming that day, so before I got home from the grocery store, he went ahead and started cooking, which is fine. I was still able to capture some footage before the meal was complete. I know being a stay-at-home mom can seem very mundane and repetitive, so I hope this gave y'all some meal inspiration along with some cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for everyone who has made it to the end of this video. If you could, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of your favorite meals. I also read your comments down below, and I would love to see what meals y'all prepare for yourself and for your families, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!